I'm Aaron with CargoGlide. Today we're going to be installing our floor slides. The applications for vans and trucks are similar, so as you install, it will all go in the same. This is a CG1000 that's going into our Ford F-150. Let's get started. So this is our 1000XL. I'm going to show you how to disassemble it. So when you go to do your install, you're going to want to pull your framework out till it stops. Then roll it in a little ways. That way you can reach the flappers. The flappers are equal distance into the third bolt. There's 1, 2, 3 bolts on the deck. That's where your flapper is located. Once you're clear, stand up. Grab one guy on the end here. Your friend will be on the further corner, and you roll out. And once it's clear, just go straight down to the ground, which it will rock over. Mid-frame, basically the same thing. What you're going to want to do is flip this flapper up, roll it out, hold it in the middle, and then down you go. All right, so now that you've got your framework into the truck, you're going to want to measure left to right and make sure you're centered in the vehicle. Now I always start at the back and move to the front. You can do it either way. So I always start here, always go off a point where it's going to be the same on either side of the vehicle. Same within the front. If you're going off 2 different points, you're not going to get the same measurement left to right. So be sure you're centered, otherwise your CargoGlide is going to come out crooked. So we're going to start here and get a measurement. All right, there we go. This one's set, and I'll go into the front and do that. Now that you've got your base frame centered, go through and mark the 6 holes for your mounting. I usually like to use a silver marker on the black bed. Go along and mark your holes. Pick whichever holes land on top of a ridge. Being in the center, you'll have to put spacers in. Once these are marked, go ahead and move your framework back so you expose where you've marked. Then you can install your plus nuts as we've done here. So now that you've got your plus nuts in, go ahead and put your base frame back in, center it, and then put your bolts in. Okay, now that you've got your bottom frame in, let's throw the mid frame in. Once you've got your mid frame in a little ways, be sure to flip down your flaps. Otherwise, it will come out of the truck. Now that you've got your mid frame in, time for your top frame. It's always good to have an extra pair of hands to help roll that in. It'll help hold that latch up. It is just that simple to install. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or check us out online.